Hello everyone! Today we are reviewing Worqstrap, a platform for remote workers. But is it legit? Let's break it down and see. So what is Worqstrap? Well, Worqstrap helps you build a professional portfolio to showcase your work, find and apply for remote jobs in various industries, and they also have a blog with tips and insights to help you thrive in the remote work world. The platform seems legit, but some users have mixed reviews. Scam Detector gives it a low trust score of 42.8 out of 100, which is a bit concerning. But many have found it useful, especially for building a portfolio and applying to jobs. There's also pros and cons for using Worqstrap. For pros, it's free to use, easy portfolio creation, job board with remote opportunities, and blog with remote work tips. For the cons, it has mixed user reviews, low trust score, and some features are still being developed. Worqstrap has potential, especially if you're looking for remote work, but with a low trust score and some mixed feedback, it's best to use it with caution and do your research.